Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about how to install a new operating system on your computer. How to install a new operating system on your computer. Installing a new operating system on your computer is one of the most effective ways to improve performance, fix software issues, and enjoy updated features that enhance your computing experience. In this video, you will learn how to install a new operating system on your computer from start to finish in a clear, simple, and practical way. Whether you are upgrading to a newer version of your current operating system or switching to a different one entirely, the goal of this tutorial is to guide you through every stage with confidence and understanding. This guide is designed to provide clarity, help you avoid common mistakes, and empower you to manage your system safely and successfully. Choosing the right operating system is the first step. Different operating systems offer different features, performance benefits, and compatibility options. Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and Linux distributions each come with strengths that suit specific needs. Before beginning the installation process, it is important to decide which operating system best fits your requirements. Consider software compatibility, hardware limitations, security features, and your preferred user interface. This ensures that the, the operating system you install will serve your long-term goals effectively. Preparing ahead gives you a smooth installation experience and reduces the risk of unexpected complications. Once you have selected your operating system, the next important step is to back up your files. Installing a new operating system typically involves formatting your storage drive, which permanently erases all existing files. A proper backup saves you from losing valuable documents, photos, videos, and software data. You can back up your files to an external hard drive, a cloud storage service, or a secure network location. Taking this step ensures that your personal information remains safe and easily recoverable after the installation is complete. Backing up prevents regrets and offers peace of mind throughout the process. Now, you see, after securing your files, you must prepare your computer for the installation. This usually involves creating a bootable installation medium using a universal serial bus drive, or a digital versatile disk. A bootable medium contains the operating system installation files and allows your computer to load the the installer before the existing system starts. You can use tools like the Windows Media Creation tool for Microsoft Windows or the Startup Disk Creator for Ubuntu Linux. Once created, you will need to access your computer's basic input system or Unified Extensible Firmware Interface medium to adjust the boot order so that the system loads from your installation medium. Now, at this stage, if this video is interesting, take a moment to subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Turn on notifications in order not to miss my next video. Also, engage with my content by liking, commenting, and sharing this video. Now, let's proceed. When the installation medium is successfully loaded, the installation wizard will guide you through the process. You will usually be prompted to choose your language, region, keyboard format, and other basic settings. After this, the installer may ask whether you want to upgrade your current system or perform a clean installation. A clean installation gives you better performance, remove old files that slow down the system, and ensures a fresh start. If you choose a clean installation, the installer will ask you to select the storage drive where the new operating system will be installed. It is important to ensure that you select the correct drive in order to avoid accidental data loss on other drives. Now, once the drive selection is complete, the installer will begin copying operating system files to your computer. This process may take several minutes depending on the speed of your computer and the size of the operating system. During this stage, the computer may restart multiple times, which is normal. Avoid interrupting the installation or powering off your devices, as this could corrupt the installation files. When the copying and setup process is completed, the computer will reboot into the new operating system for the first time. At this point, you can begin configuring your user settings and system preferences. Now, configuring the new operating system begins with creating or signing into a user account. These steps ensure that your personal settings, files, preferences, and preferences are stored securely. You may be prompted to connect to the internet, which enables automatic updates and access to online features. You can also choose privacy settings, personalization options, and accessibility features. Each operating system offers a range of customization options that allow you to tailor the environment to your liking. Taking the time to configure these settings helps you enjoy a smooth and more comfortable user experience. Once the initial setup is complete, the next stage involves installing system updates. System updates are important for security, stability, and performance. They fix bugs, patch vulnerabilities, vulnerabilities, and improve the overall functionality of the operating system. Connecting to a strong internet network ensures that updates install quickly and efficiently. After installing updates, it is recommended to restart your computer in order to ensure that all changes apply correctly. Keeping your system updated is a continuous process that protects your computer and ensures that it performs at its best. Now, after setting up system updates, you can reinstall your personal files and software applications. This is where your earlier backup becomes essential. Transfer your files from your backup device to appropriate folders in your new system. Then download and install the software programs you need, such as web browsers, office tools, media players, and design applications. If you use specialized programs, make sure that they are compatible with your new operating system. Organizing your files and installing your software early helps you return to your normal workflow quickly and efficiently. Now, one of the most important practices after installing a new operating system is optimizing your system settings. System optimization includes adjusting startup programs, configuring power settings, managing background processes, and enabling security features such as firewall protection. These adjustments improve your system's speed, security, and responsiveness. Over time, regular maintenance such as clearing temporary files, managing storage, and performing disk checks will help extend the life of your operating system. Understanding how to maintain and optimize your system makes it easier to use and keep makes it easier. I mean, understanding how to maintain and optimize your system make it easier to use and keeps it performing well. Now, it is also helpful to familiarize yourself with the new interface and features of your operating system. Explore the settings menu, file manager, and built-in tools. Many modern operating systems offer helpful tutorials, search functions, and built-in tips that guide you through features you may not have used before. Learning the layout of your operating system allows you to navigate more efficiently and makes it easier to solve small issues on your own. A good understanding of your system saves time and enhances productivity. In addition, knowing how to troubleshoot basic problems can be extremely beneficial. Sometimes, after installing a new operating system, you may encounter issues such as driver errors, software incompatibility, or hardware malfunction. Understanding how to update drivers, search for solutions in system support tools, and reinstall malfunctioning applications can help you resolve issues quickly. The more you familiarize yourself with common troubleshooting steps, the more confident you become in managing your system independently. As you continue using your new operating system, you can explore advanced features such as virtual desktops, advanced task managers, cloud synchronization services, and integrated security dashboards. Modern operating systems come with many built-in enhancements that help you work faster and smarter. Exploring these features gradually will help you unlock the full potential of your systems. With time, experience, and practice, you can turn your computer into a powerful and efficient tool for your personal and professional activities. If you wish to take your knowledge further, you can explore topics such as dual booting, virtual machines, and Linux distributions. Dual booting allows you to install two operating systems on the same computer and choose which one to load when starting the device. Now, virtual machines allow you to run additional operating systems inside your main system. These advanced settings require more technical understanding, but they offer immense flexibility for learning, development, and specialized tasks. Exploring these options can expand your skills and allow you to experiment with new environments safely. Now, as you continue to gain confidence, keep in mind that the key to mastering your operating system is consistent practice and exploration. The more comfortable you become with the tools, settings, and features of your computer, the more efficiently you will be able to work. Whether you use your computer for school, business, entertainment, or creative work, installing a new operating system opens the door to improved performance and new possibilities. The journey of understanding your system is ongoing, and every step you take enhances your capability and independence as a user. Finally, before you leave, do not forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Turn on notifications in order not to miss my next video. Engage with my content by liking, commenting, and sharing this video. Visit my channel to watch more of my helpful videos. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.